Hey loves, hope you're all doing well today. Welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how I got this look, as well as I'm going to do some swatches and just do a little bit of a review. The palette that I'm talking about today would have to be the Festival palette by JUVIA'S. Now I was lucky enough and fortunate enough to actually pre-order this palette. They did ship it really quickly to me. They took about, I think, like a day to actually ship it, but apparently there was like a zombie apocalypse and it took 2 weeks to get to me because my post office had to delay it.
I didn't understand that, but okay, whatever. I finally came and it came in one piece, so I'm really excited.
Okay, so I had to get this palette when I seen it because if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know that my favorite color is orange and I just fell in love with it. Like, just fell in love. And besides that, I love JUVIA'S palettes. I think they're so beautiful, they're so well thought out. I love the meaning behind them, the names, and I also love the pigmentation of all the shadows. So if you guys have not seen this palette, this is what she looks like. This is the front. JUVIA'S is very well known for their packaging, and they always have a really nice packaging on the front. And this specific palette, if I'm not mistaken, is from the names are from a West African tribe, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the name down here, but this is what she looks like. So freaking beautiful. Like, just look at those colors. Like, this just screams party. Definitely a festival in my book. I think it's just a bomb. So for today, I actually went ahead and played with some of these eyeshadows. I actually used this one, this one, and this one. So I just used 3 eyeshadows today. If you guys want to see more of these color combinations, then let me know. Let me know which colors you would like to see, or if you would just like me to just go ahead and invent. There's really nothing negative I can say about this palette. I love them. I love the metallic shimmer shades. I love the matte shades. They blend beautifully. There's not a lot of fallout. There's not a lot of kickback. And I feel like if you like JUVIA'S eyeshadows, I feel like you'll love this one because I absolutely love it. I think it's so beautiful. So again, yeah, there's really nothing negative I can say about it. Now I did do some swatches for you guys, so I'll go ahead and insert the clip now. And this is what she looks like. She's so beautiful. If you guys want to go ahead and see how I created this quick, simple but beautiful look, then just keep on watching. I'm not quite sure what look I'm going to create with this palette, but I want to incorporate as much colors as I can with still making it very easy to achieve, just in case any of you guys want to kind of recreate the look. I think I'm going to start with this corally peach color. So again, this is what the palette looks like. So beautiful. I'm going to go in with this peachy coral color right here. Let me just grab a brush. So we're going to go in with my BH Cosmetics. This is the V5 brush. So we're going to just take some of this color and I'm going to apply that right on the crease. This is going to be my transition color. And per usual, my eyebrows are done for the most part, and I did go ahead and prime and set my eyes. So you guys know the deal. I put some of this Maybelline Fit Me concealer on my lid, and then I went in with my Airspun translucent powder to go ahead and set that. I was going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, which I usually do for colorful looks. But since this is like my first look with this palette, I just wanted to create something that doesn't involve that and just let the colors work for themselves. And by the way, I just got my nails redid. I posted a picture on Instagram. They're so cute. I love them. I have little like hearts on them, little jewels. I love them. I love my nails being so different. If you like JUVIA'S palettes, eyeshadows, I think you'll love this palette because it's just like the other ones. Well, at least the ones I have. There's very minimal fallout, but you do get that pigment there, which is what I really like. So this color is really nice as a transition color. I love this corally peach. I feel like it's going to be like one of my favorite colors for springtime. So on top of that, I'm going to go in with the color Ophala, which is this red orange right down here. I think it's so beautiful. So I'm going to take it on that same brush. We're not going to get any more brushes dirty today. and very little that comes off my brush. So I'm gonna apply this right on top of that coral color, which I can't pronounce, but we're just gonna rock this in the crease a little bit lower than that coral color. As you can see, typical me, I built up the orange just a little bit because I really like dramatic looks. So again, if this isn't something that you really like, you could be very subtle with the color and it would work out perfectly. Now what I'm thinking, I'm just going to keep it very simple once again. I'm going to actually go back in with the orange red, and I'm going to take this is an Anastasia brush. It came with one of the palettes. So I'm just going to take this the flat side of the brush, and I'm just going to go back into that color, and I'm actually going to apply this on the outer corner, the outer and inner corner as a matter of fact. Just going to pack it on so the color shows up really nicely. Play around with like this color down here, like the red and the pink. Definitely let me know that, again, this is just my first look with this palette, and I plan on doing many more with this palette because it's just really pretty. I'm actually going to flip that same brush over, and I'm just going to buff in this orange just a little bit. That empty area, I'm going to apply the color, which is this one right here. This is a really pretty color. What I'm actually going to do with that color is I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm just going to apply it with my actual finger. So I'm just going to press it right in the center. Oh my god, that's so freaking pigmented. And it doesn't have to be perfect as you're applying it because you'll go ahead and blend in the edges. But look at that pigment, like, it's insane. Insane, that's for sure. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Alright, now I'm gonna do the other eye. Now if you don't want to do this with your finger, you can definitely skip that and you can just go in with a brush, but today I was just feeling a little dirty and wanted to use my finger for this. You can also go ahead and wet these metallic shimmers. I feel like the Juvia's Place shimmers, they work really well when you wet them, so you can wet them with your favorite setting spray or like a Max Fix Plus or even with water. And they work really fine. They're just so beautiful. To make them a little bit even, I'm just going to go back in with that Anastasia brush and just add a little bit more of the orange on both ends, just to make sure it's all even. Before I add any lashes and mascara, I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline, and I'm going to use my Rimmel London's Nude Eyeliner. And I'm going to take this ColourPop eyeliner and I'm just going to tightline with this before I apply my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to take this Smashbox X-Rated mascara. And this is just like the sample size. I got this in one of my Ipsy bags. So we're just going to apply like 2 coats. Eyelashes today, I'm actually going to use my Alexis eyelashes from Shop Miss A. I've used them in about 2 of my past videos, but I can't get enough of them. I'm going to go ahead and flare them out by combing them a little bit, and then I'll pop them on and I'll be right back to show you guys. Finish off this eye look. I swear these are like my favorite lashes ever. I absolutely love them. For $1, I swear by these. I highly recommend you guys check out Shop Miss A's lashes. These specific styles I'll have down below for you guys. They are just like amazing. I absolutely love them. They are my like #1 favorite lashes ever. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I am, where's my palette? Oh, behind me. I'm thinking of just going with the same colors. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the coral color once again. Let me take a smaller brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that coral color, and I'm gonna apply this right on that lower lash line. And I'm just going to bring it all the way across. I'm going to go back in with that red orange, orangey red. And I'm just going to drag that, well not drag it, but because that sounds kind of harsh. I'm just going to take that and run it right along the lower lash line as well. So basically like what we did on top. The inner corner, I'm going to take the same color that I applied on the center of my lid, which is called Yuli, which was that white metallic with the reflex of pink in it. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to apply that right in that inner corner. I don't know if you guys can see that well on camera, but like depending on where I turn, you can see the pink in it, which is really nice. I love this color. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this hair of mine, which is looking pretty crazy right now, and then we'll be right back. And so y'all know with my big forehead, I had to pull the baby hairs down, right? Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my setting spray. I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Photo Focus setting spray today, and this is what it looks like right here. So cute. So I'm just going to give it a good shake and then spray my face, and we're going to apply some highlight. Okay, before that really dries, I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution. This is the Vivid Bake Highlighter in Peach Lights. Really pretty highlight. So I'm actually going to use that for my brow bone today. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this cute little brush that I got in one of my Ipsy bags. It's so freaking adorable. Like, just look at that, so cute. It has glitter on the handle, an ombre brush head, just so cute. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of this highlight, and I'm just going to highlight those cheekbones. For my lips today, I'm going to use NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Embellishment. So I'm going to take this and we're going to apply this right on our lips. So pretty. Alright guys, so that completes this look. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, let me know if there are any color combinations you guys would like to see. If you want me to use like the teal, if you want me to use like the pink and the red, you know, just let me know. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.